Can you guess this famous landmark from just a tiny detail? Yes, this iconic monument is the Statue of Liberty. Great start. Look closely. Do you recognize this ancient wonder? Correct! This mysterious monument is the Great Sphinx of Giza. Impressive knowledge. Can you name this beautiful place from the zoomed-in view? Perfect! This world-famous wonder is the Taj Mahal. Great going. This one is tricky. Can you guess the famous place? Spot on! This famous landmark is the Merlion. You're doing great. Any guesses which iconic monument this could be? Correct. This legendary monument is Big Ben. Excellent work. Can you tell which famous statue this detail belongs to? Yes, this incredible monument is Christ the Redeemer. Nicely done. This one looks a little tilted. Can you guess it? Absolutely right. This famous tower is the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Do you recognize this ancient structure from the close-up? Correct. This historic monument is the Colosseum. Impressive guess. This texture belongs to something massive. Can you name it? Yes, this incredible structure is the Great Wall of China. Well done. Can you identify this famous monument from the details? That's right. This iconic landmark is Mount Rushmore. Nice one. A close-up view. But do you know this famous place? Perfect. This world-famous landmark is the Eiffel Tower. Fantastic. These shapes look unique. Can you guess the monument? Correct. This stunning landmark is the Sydney Opera House. Great job! Can you recognize this ancient site from the zoomed-in shot? Yes, this historic place is the Acropolis. Excellent knowledge. Can you tell which famous tower this is? This iconic landmark is Tokyo Tower. Keep it up. This structure looks familiar. Can you name it? Correct. This famous bridge is the Golden Gate Bridge. Great guess. This detail belongs to something very tall. Can you guess? Absolutely. This modern marvel is the Burj Khalifa. Impressive. Can you recognize this ancient wonder? Yes, this incredible monument is Chichen Itza. Well spotted. This looks ancient and detailed. Do you know the place? Correct. This legendary site is Angkor Wat. Amazing job. Nature can be a wonder too. Can you guess this one? Perfect. This famous mountain is Mount Fuji. Nice job. Now, can you guess this mysterious monument? Yes, these iconic figures are the Moai statues. You crushed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun challenges.